Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. The Triumph Tiger 1200 is a legendary name in the adventure bike world. It has been around for decades, offering riders a powerful and versatile machine that can handle any terrain. But in recent years, it has faced stiff competition from other brands that have improved their technology and performance. Triumph knew it had to reinvent its flagship model to stay ahead of the game. That's why they spent 5 years developing the new 2023 Tiger 1200 Rally Pro, a completely redesigned bike that aims to be the best in its class. I had the opportunity to test ride the new Tiger 1200 Rally Pro at its press launch in Portugal. I was eager to see how it compared to the previous generation and to other adventure bikes on the market. I was also curious to see how it performed on different types of roads and trails, from smooth highways to rocky hills. As an adventure bike enthusiast, I have ridden many different models over the years, but none of them prepared me for what I experienced on the new Tiger 1200. The first thing that struck me was how much lighter and smaller the new bike felt. Triumph claims that it has reduced the weight by 55 pounds and made the bike more compact and agile. The new engine, which is 33% larger than the Tiger 900's, has been moved forward in the frame, along with the rider triangle and the fuel tank. This improves the weight distribution and the center of gravity, making the bike more stable and responsive. The new dual-sided swingarm also adds rigidity and reduces unsprung mass. The new engine is a beast. It produces 147 horsepower and 95 ft-lbs of torque, which is more than enough to propel the bike with ease. The T-plane crank gives it a distinctive sound and character, as well as a smooth delivery of power at low revs. The transmission is flawless, with a smooth clutch action and a quick shifter that works both up and down. The shaft drive is also refined and reliable, eliminating the need for chain maintenance. The new semi-active suspension is another highlight of the new bike. It adjusts itself automatically every 20 milliseconds, according to the riding mode, speed, load, and terrain. It offers 8.6 inches of travel on both ends, which is more than enough for most off-road situations. The suspension feels plush and comfortable on the road, but also firm and controlled on the dirt. It absorbs bumps and impacts without bottoming out or bouncing back too hard. The new bike also comes with a host of electronic features that enhance its performance and safety. It has 6 riding modes, including an off-road pro mode that allows you to turn off traction control and ABS completely. It has lean angle sensitive ABS and traction control that work well in different conditions. It has a blind spot detection system that warns you of vehicles approaching from behind via a light on the mirror. It has a keyless ignition system that works flawlessly. The new 7-inch TFT display is clear and easy to read, but not very intuitive to navigate. The menu system is a bit clunky and lacks some customization options. For example, you can't adjust the compression and rebound damping independently or set your own preferred settings for each mode. You also can't turn off some features like blind spot detection or heated seats. The display also shows some fueling quirks that affect the throttle response. The throttle response is one of the few drawbacks of the new bike. It feels snatchy and jerky at low speeds, especially in street and sport modes. It makes it hard to modulate the power smoothly and comfortably. This is surprising for a Triumph bike, which usually have excellent fueling. The problem might be caused by Euro 5 emission standards or by some software glitch. Hopefully, Triumph will address this issue with an update or a fix. The other minor issue I had with the new bike was with the tires. The bike comes with Metzeler Tourance tires, which are road-biased adventure tires that don't offer much grip or feedback off-road. They make the bike feel heavy and unstable on loose surfaces. They also fall into turns too abruptly on pavement, making it hard to lean smoothly. I would recommend swapping them for more off-road friendly tires. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.